So guys, here's the camera drone. We're gonna get in there and get back to you. Hey guys, this is Scarecrow here. Today I want to show you guys a couple of things I got for Christmas. So guys, I got a couple of nice things I want to use for the channel. I got a nice video drone. And you see how it has a rotating camera. And then also too, this is a nice little camera that I got too. I'll show you guys that. So guys, this is a nice camera that I got for the Scarecrow channel. The zoom in and out right here, you charge it here, record here, and then you open it up and you can see where you're videoing and all that sort of stuff. It's pretty good quality and everything too. So guys, what's nice about this camera, not only is the video quality very well, but also too, as you guys can see, you can zoom in real nice. And as you guys can see, no matter how far you zoom in, it still looks very nice. So that's the camera. So guys, here's the camera drone. Pretty nice. It has 20 minutes of fly life and comes with 2 batteries and stuff. This is the controller. It has all different stuff: takeoff, land, and then the speed, and then it can do flips and that type of stuff. So it's pretty cool. We're gonna get in there and get back to you. Take off with the drone. Also too guys, I got a pretty nice harmonica.